Why does addition of inert gas at constant volume not affect equilibrium system, but addition of inert gas at constant pressure does it? So constant volume, if you are adding constant volume is there, student, and what you are adding inert gas Ig, so no effect here is there is will be no effect, student. But if you talking about constant pressure, so constant pressure is having the inert gas is having effect. It gets changed, student, affected. The region they are asking, dear student, what can be the region, friend? Dissociation obviously increases the number of moles. The equilibrium of an addition of gas can affect the equilibrium, but only if the volume is allowed to change. There are two cases on which equilibrium depends. First one, at constant volume, addition of inert gas. When an inert gas is added to the system in equilibrium at constant volume, the total pressure will increase, but the concentration of product and reactant ratio of their moles to the volume of the container will not change. Hence, when an inert gas is added to the system in equilibrium at constant volume, there will not be any effect. What the reason is, student, if you are really able to understand this one factor, so it is saying that is the partial pressure is not changing, although total pressure is being changed. So partial pressure is remain the same of the product and reactant, so that there is no effect on equilibrium. Now at constant pressure, you see, if you are adding anything on constant pressure, so volume can be changed. So means volume is getting increased. Volume is increasing means the equilibrium will shift in that direction where number of mole is high. So let's read this one. Okay. When an inert gas is added to the system in equilibrium at constant pressure, then the total volume will increase. Hence, the number of mole per unit volume of various reactant and product will decrease. Hence, the equilibrium will shift towards the direction in which there is increase in number of moles of gas. You can see, consider the following reaction. 2NH3 gives N2 plus 3H2. The addition of inert gas at constant pressure to the above reaction will shift the equilibrium towards the forward direction because the number of moles of products gets increases, student. So this is what is the answer, student. I hope it will be clear to you to understand. Here you can see the addition of inert gas at constant pressure to the above reaction will shift towards the forward direction because the number of moles of product more than the number of moles of reactant. So this is the answer, student.